Welcome back everyone. Now before we learn about elif statements, you need to understand why we need elif statements. So I have written the following code here. Now I'll tell you what it does. First, we will read the value of x from the user. Now double equal to means it is a equality checker or a comparison operator. That means it will compare if the value of x is equal to 1. Single equal to means initializing that value. Two equal to's mean it will check for equality. Instead of initialization, it will check for equality. That is, in this case, it will check if value of x is equal to 1. And if the value of x is equal to 1, then only the statements inside the first if statement will execute. So now let's run this. Enter value of x, we'll enter the value 2 and we'll get the output b. So hey, this program is working properly. Why do we need an elif statement here? Now I'll tell you why. Suppose we are having 27 of if statements like these. The program will take a long time to run. Now we just have 5 statements. But if you have 27 if statements like these, the program is going to take forever to run because it has to check if x value is equal to 1, x value is equal to 2, x value is equal to 3. So to prevent that, there's a simple way we can fix this problem. We use the elif statement. Okay, so by using the elif statement, what happens is that the elif statement will only execute if the if condition is false. That means only if the initial if condition is false, the other conditions will be evaluated. If the value of x is 1, the rest of the elif statements will not execute. Only the first one will execute. Now if value of x is 2, only these two statements will be executed. It will not check if x value is equal to 3, x value is equal to 4, x value is equal to 5 because we already know that the value of x is equal to 2. So I think the concept is clear. What elif does is that it only checks until a condition becomes true. All the other elif statements below the true condition will not execute. Means if the second elif is true, then the program will not look if the third, fourth and fifth elif conditions are true. So this way we can save valuable running time of our program. Now in small programs it won't make any difference, but in large programs it will show a large difference in the running time. So I'll repeat what we learned in this lecture. If x is equal to 1, then we'll print a and then stop the program. It will not check if x is equal to 2. The same way, if the value of x is equal to 2, then it will stop there. It won't check if the value of x is 3 or x is 4 or the value of x is 5. Because Python already knows that the value of x is 2. That is how the elif statement works. We will have more understanding of this as we write more programs using elif statements. So I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.